In a previous video, I showed you how to use Cash App loans. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 alternatives to Cash App loans. So if it's not working for you, you could try out these apps as well. The first app we're going to look at is Dave. Their kind of tagline is up to $500 in 5 minutes or less. This app has 712,000 ratings. So quite a bit of people are using this. That's a good sign. The average rating is 4.8, so it does work. And this is just going to be a quick overview of these apps. So you sign up, $500 in 5 minutes or less. No interest, no credit check, no late fees. They also have a checking feature and a card, as you can see here. And if you connect payments to your job, you'll be able to get paid up to 2 days earlier. Also here in the middle of the screen, you can see this goals account. So if you do keep money in the app, they have a feature where you can earn interest on that. So it seems like a pretty solid app. Let's take a look at the next one. This is going to be Bridget, cash advance and credit, money, saving, and budgeting. This app has 346,000 ratings, average rating 4.8, so it is working. For this one, you'll be able to get $25 to $250, no credit check, no interest or late fees, pay back whenever you can. You'll be able to build your credit score. They're going to have some extra offers for you to help you earn cash or save money. They have kind of a built-in spending tracker and some alerts to keep your finances simple and safe. So far, I would rank the first one higher than this one if you're looking to get a loan. The third one is going to be Empower, cash advance and credit, money, savings, credit score. This app has 259,000 ratings with the average rating of a 4.8 star. A quick overview of what you can do: get up to $300 instantly. This cash advance or loan or credit will have no interest, no late fees, no credit checks. You're probably going to have to start at $10 and build your way up. Also, if you are paying back and building your credit with this app, you can go to over $1,000 over time. They have built-in savings features and a credit score checker. So based on what we were looking for, here's how I would rank these: Dave, Empower, and Bridget. There's the 3 alternatives to Cash App loans. Let me know if you want me to dive into those apps further and create tutorial videos for each one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.